first place. Maybe it's time you where the tables turn, cause in the interest of all involved, I got the problem solved, and the verdict is guilty.
Get another girl, please tell me where you've had a try. Stop, drop, or no. You were dead from the get-go, been Mount Burner. Triple cock, stuck away, scared of me now. Then you tell me that I thought always is and never was. Don't measure me to be some vinegar. Stop, tell me, ask me, think I fear your bullshit. Just another dumb bum, trouble up this shit. It's another way to break through the noise. Another circle that has had, you got your pen. Gotta be that way if you want it. Sanity, literal profanity, yeah, man. Smash it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All you wanna do is step me around.
Smash it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
Maybe it's the way you gotta spend a lot of room. I find keeping all your little spots and leave when you realize. Step out third, I guess it's time to bury your ass with the chrome straight to the dome. You hear me right, bitch? I didn't stun. And if you know it's good, just shut up and fake for the backstab. Don't you know you're just inside my pinner? The oxygen can't shine.
Making a minute back, boy, I don't hear shit, cause the gate's hitting louder. Come on, I get a face full of tactic, living up bar, going home in a basket. You get up on the power, no, nothing nice, that shit. Well, ain't that something, bills don't protect. And you can run if you want, but I'll find you coming up behind you. Spin it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
Spin it out.
All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out.
Time I set this record straight. All the needle punching is making me irate. Sick of my bitches falling under fears. Where you gonna be in the next 5 years? The cool when all the fools and all the politics get your lips. Baby, gonna gag, gonna make you sick. You got dick when they find out the good stuff. Bam, while you're